guys, it's Mrs. Clark. Today we are going to talk about all the vowels you've learned because now we've learned all the vowels. So we're going to put them all together today and we're going to see if we can tell the difference between one vowel and another vowel and which vowels we need in different words. Okay, so we're just going to be doing a lot of finger spelling today. I hope you're ready. If you don't have a pencil and paper, now would be a good time to pause the video to go grab some. And if you do have pencil and paper, then we're going to get started. Can you write a big number 1 on the first line of your paper? Okay. Listen. Your first word is trap. Trap. Like, oh, don't step in that hole. It's a trap. I don't know. I'm thinking about Scooby-Doo. It's a trap. Okay? Say it. Trap. Pound it. Trap. Trap. Show me. Ap. Ap. I wonder what vowel you think you hear in that word, in trap. Let's see. We are going to get ready to write. Uncap my marker here. The first letter, or the first sound I hear in the word trap is a T. So I'm going to write the letter T. Ap. Next I hear an R. R. What's that vowel going to be in trapped? Ah. I hope you're saying A for the like an apple sound. A. Ap. What letter do I hear at the end? The letter P. For trap. Check your work. Does your work look like my work for trap? T-R-A-P? Okie dokie. Let's write a number 2. Number 2. Listen. Your word is pick. Like, oh, I hope that he pick, or I should say, I hope that you pick me at recess. Pick. Say it. Pick. Pound it. Pick. Pick. Okay, show me. Ick. Ick. That first letter I hear is a P. What letter makes the ick sound, or the I sound in pick? I. That's going to be the letter I, right? Like an itch. Pick. And then I've got p, ick. What 2 letters do I need if I'm going to have the k sound at the end of a word? I'm going to need to bring in that kite rule. C-K. C-K goes at the end of a word that has the k sound. Pick. Very nice. Check your work. Does your work match mine? P-I-C-K for pick. Let's take a look at number 3. Number 3. Listen. The word is stop. Like, I was driving and I came to a stop sign. So I didn't move anymore. Stop. Say it. Stop. Pound it. Stop. Stop. That is a 1-syllable word. Okay, show me. St-ap. St-ap. I wonder what vowel I'm going to need in this word. Let's start spelling it. I've got S, like the letter S. St. Need a T. St-ah. What vowel makes the ah sound? Ah, ah, ah. That's going to be a letter O. My mouth makes an O when I make the ah sound. St-ap. What's that last letter? That'd be the letter P. Check your work. Does your work match mine? S-T-O-P. Stop. Good. Let's do number 4. Okay. Number 4. Listen. The word is bust. Bust. Bust is kind of like another word for break. So you might say, oh, I hope I don't bust this really fancy glass vase. I don't know what valuable stuff you have in your house that you don't want to bust. You don't want to break it. Say it. Bust. Pound it. Bust. Bust. Okay, get ready to show me. B. St. There are 4 sounds in this word. B. Or excuse me. B. St. Okay, get ready to write. I first hear a B. What letter makes the B sound? It's going to be letter B. B, What vowel makes the sound? Like I'm putting up my umbrella, that's going to be the letter U. B, st, s. What letter is going to make the S sound? That's an S. B, st. Last letter, T is a letter T. Check your work. Did you write B-U-S-T for bust? I sure hope so. Let's do number 5. Number 5. Number 5, listen. Your word is tent. Like, I'm going to go camping, and I'm going to take a tent with me. Say it. Tent. Pound it. Tent. Tent. Okay, show me. T. I'm going to give you a huge hint. My mouth is not going to open a lot for this word's vowel. T, t. What letter do I need first? Get ready to write. What letter do I need? It's going to be a letter T for T. Then my vowel, If you said the letter E, like Mr. Ed, you are absolutely correct. T, It's going to be an N. You know it's not the letter M, because if I was saying the word tempt, my lips would come together. They'd touch each other for the letter M, like in Mrs. Okay, but if it's the letter N, see how my lips don't touch, just my teeth? I know it can be kind of hard to hear the difference between those letters, especially on video sometimes, so sometimes it helps to watch my mouth. So I've got T, N, T. Is that last letter? It's a letter T. T-E-N-T. Check your work. Does it match mine? For tent. Good. Let's write down a number 6. Number 6, your word is sled. It was snowing out, so I got my sled to go sledding. We're going to write the word sled. Okay, say it. Sled. Pound it. Sled. Sled. Show me. S-l-e-d. S-l-e-d. Okay, let's get ready to write. What's that first sound you hear? S. It's going to be an S. What about the next sound? S-l. L makes the L sound. What vowel do I need? S-l-e-e-e. That's going to be the letter E, right? E makes the eh sound. Sled. What sound do you hear at the end? The letter D for sled. Good. Check your work. Do you have S-L-E-D for sled? Very nice. Let's do number 7. We are getting so many words done today. Number 7, your word is drop. Drop. So listen to me say the word drop. Like, oh, I hope I don't drop that really super expensive vase, or else I might bust it, right? Yeah, I don't want to drop it. Say it. Drop. Pound it. Drop. Drop. Show me. D-r-op. D-r-op. Okay, get ready to write. What sound do I hear first? D. I hear the letter D. D-r. R is going to be an R. D-r-ah. What sound do you hear for op? Op. I hear an O. And last but not least, D-r-op. The end, I hear the letter P. D-R-O-P. Drop. Check your work. Does your work match mine? For number 7. Beautiful, beautiful. Let's do at least one more. This might be the last one. We'll see how quick we can do it. Number 8. Number 8, your word is track. Track. Like sometimes hunters might need to track an animal that's going through the woods. They're following it. They're going to track it. Okay? Or maybe an animal leaves a track. Can you say that word? Say it. Track. 3, pound it. track, track. That's just a one-syllable word there. Okay, show me. T, r, a, k. T, r, a, k. Okay, get ready to write. What sound do you hear first in track? I hear a t. I hear the letter T. What about next? I hear r, t, r. R? What vowel do I need? T, r, a, track. I hear the letter A for apple, track. T, r, a, k. It's one sound, it's the k sound, but what two letters do I need to make the k sound at the end of a word? I need C, and I need the letter K. Track. Okay, we will leave it off there. I had a whole list of words. I could have kept going all day, but you guys did a nice job. So with those 8 words, I will let you go. I hope you had a wonderful time, and I can't wait to see you next time I see you.